Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So today we are going to see the next part, that is part 6 of the exponents and powers. So let us see, there's one, the question is that is simplify. So this is the question given. So we have to simplify this one. So first thing, what are we going to do? We'll take 16. So you know 16, the factors of 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times is 16. So I wrote over here. This I wrote same. Again for 4, 2 raised to 2. This is the same. Now if you look at the denominator, this again 2 raised to 4. This is the same. This is the same. And this is the same. Now what you can see here, the base are the same and this is multiplication. So we have the rule a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So now can you see the exponents, we have to add it. Now again same over here, the base is the same because this is a different, this is also multiplication. So you are going to add the exponents. Again here the same, the base is the same, you are going to add the exponents. Again here, so here is nothing means it says 2 raised to 1. Whenever there is a single number, that means the exponent is 1. So you are going to add it. So this is the one. So now what will happen here? You have to take the like terms. That will be 5 plus n. This is same. Again here will be 6 plus n. Here 3 plus n. Now this one, this is a raised to m plus n. But original is what? That is a raised to m into a raised to n. So what are we going to do? This thing we are going to change in this form, that is a raised to m into a raised to n. Again the same, this one we are going to change it to a raised to m into a raised to n. So this into this into this one. Again this one same, you are going to change it a raised to m into a raised to n. Again this is the same, you are going to change it to a raised to m into a raised to n. So why did we change that? So now this is first term and this is the second term. So from these two, we have to see what is common. So you can see both places 2 raised to n is same. So we'll take this as common. And then what remains in the first one will be 2 raised to 5. So this we are going to put it in a bracket. This is the minus sign as it is. So again from here 2 raised to 2. Again, now we look at the denominator. Again, we can consider this as the first term and this as the second term. From this, again, what we can see that these two are the same. We can take it as a common. So what remains in the first part? That is 2 raised to 6 that you are going to put in a bracket. Minus sign as it is, and this will be 2 raised to 3. So now what you can say here, this and this get cancelled because that will be 1. So 2 raised to 5 is going to be 2 when you multiply it 5 times. That is going to be 32. 2 raised to 2 will be 4. Again here 2 raised to 6, 2 multiplied 6 times, that is going to be 64. This will be 2 multiplied 3 times, that will be 8. So now you know this is 32 minus 4, that is going to be 28. And this is 56. So if you know the table of 28, that is 28 ones are 28 twos are. So that will be 1 by 2 is the answer. Now look at this problem. So now see here, what you can see, both the base are different and the exponent also is different. So directly you cannot solve this problem. So what you have to do, either you have to make the base equal or you have to make the exponents the same. So here what we can do, this 125 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. So this will be as it is, and this is going to be the 5 cube. Now you can see the base is the same. So the exponent should be same. So 2x plus 1, that is going to be 3. So what will be this one? 2x will be this 3 plus 1 is going to be minus 1. So 2x is going to be, this is 2. So x is going to be 2 divided by this is multiplication. So you are going to divide it. So that is going to be 1. So x is 1. And these are very important problems. These are many times they are such similar problems. Now look at the next one. We'll just put a line over here. This is the next problem. So here, so this is the question given. So now look at here, 8 raised to this is 3x is 32. So now I'll just change the color of it so that we get the same color. Okay, so this is the question given over here. So now look at here. So what will be this? 8 is going to be 2 cube, and this will be, the exponent is 3x. Now this also will make it to, because this is 2, the base is 2, let us make this also to the base 2. That will be, if you're multiplying 2 5 times, that is going to be 32. So now you can see the base is the same, but before that, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply this exponents. So that is going to be 3 3 is a 9x. And this will be 5. Now, so the base is the same, so the exponent should be same. So 9x is 5, so x is going to be 5 by 9. Now look at this problem over here. This is the question given. Now both again the base are different, the exponents also are different. So let us make the base same. So 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. And this is going to be 81 will be 3 4 times. So, and this the exponent will be same. Here again you are going to make 3 raised to 4. And the exponent is the same. So what are you going to do? Because you wrote here 3 raised to 3 means you are going to multiply this. So when you multiply 3, 3s are 9. And this 3 is for this as well. That will be 15 plus 15. Again, this will be 16x and this is going to be 4. So now see here, the base are the same. So the exponent should be same. So now we wrote the exponents over here. So now you are going to do, after writing this, you are going to bring the like terms together. So 9x is already over here. If you bring 16x over here, this is actually positive. It is going to be negative 1. 4 is on the same place, right hand side. If you take this, you have to take along with the sign, plus 15 becomes, if it goes here, it is going to be minus 15. So now see here, when we write like this, bigger number let us write at the top, plus 9 means whenever you have one positive, one negative means this is going to be negative. So this is going to be 7. So bigger number sign means minus 7x. Again for this one, minus 15 plus 4. Here you are going to subtract, that is going to be 11. And bigger number sign. So now x is going to be, this is multiplication 7, this x is going to be minus 11 by minus 7. So now if both the places, numerator as well as the denominator, if there is negative sign, that becomes positive. So that will be 11 by 7 is the answer. Now this one again, we can see this is 1 by 9 and this is 3. So now let us make it to 3. So this is going to be what? 3 square. The rest will be the same. So now this, I'm going to take it on in the this one, numerator. So this is going to be, this is positive, it becomes negative. So now look at here. When I multiply this into this, it is going to be minus 4x and this will be as it is. Now base are the same, so the exponent should be same. So minus 4x is this. So now let us bring the like terms together. So this will come here. So this is going to be plus. Actually, this is plus. So this is going to be minus over here. So this as it is. So now you know that is minus 4, minus 7. If both the places it is negative, means this is going to be positive, this is going to be 11, but you are going to put the negative sign. So here will be negative x, so 11x is equal to 1. So x is going to be, this is multiplication, this will be negative 1 divided by this one. So both the places again, this is the negative sign means it should be positive, that should be 1 by 11. Now look at this problem again. Here the dot says that it is a multiplication sign. And everywhere you can see the base is 5. So first thing, let us take this left hand side. So now you know this multiplication means a raised to m into a raised to n, that will be a raised to m plus n. So once again I say learn the laws and also write it down. So the laws are very important in such problems. So now look at here, the exponent should be added. So this is added. This will be the same. The right hand side is going to be the same. Now this is going to be 4x plus 6. 2x will be 6x and this will be minus 1. This will be same. Now because the base is the same, the exponent should be same. So that I wrote the exponent over here. Now we'll bring the like terms together. So this becomes, my plus 3 becomes minus 3x. This is going to be the same. This is going to be the same. And also you can write here first and then put this one. Anyways, minus 1 becomes plus 1. So here, when you subtract this one means nothing here means plus. Plus 6 minus 3 You're going to subtract this one, 3 bigger number sign, so it becomes to 3x. And this will be 12. X will be, here this multiplication, so 12. You take this on the other side, it is going to get divided. 3 ones are, 3 fours are. The answer is x is equal to 4. So by this one, we have completed today's work. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts and many more. Thank you.